7 Hidden Secret on how to make your mother happy. It can be challenging to come up with thoughtful presents and other non-obvious gestures that will make your mother pleased. There are a lot of different ways you can show your mother that you care, even though they are nice gestures and the majority of mothers would accept them. Since happiness is quite subjective and differs greatly from person to person, you might need to try out a few of these strategies before you discover what makes your mother the happiest. How to communicate with your mom. 1. Let your mother know you care. You'll have the chance to connect with your mother by asking her about her life, and she'll be flattered by your interest in what she has to say. For instance, if you're just relaxing in the living room, you could turn to your mother and inquire about her favorite childhood activity. This will lead to a few intriguing tales for you. 2. Inquire about your mother's well-being. Like everyone else, mothers require conversation partners. It will probably make your mother extremely pleased if you inquire about how she is feeling, because it demonstrates that you are interested in her and that you care about her pleasure. For instance, if you observe that she appears anxious, you could say something like this: "Mom, you seem anxious right now. Are you alright?" 3. Text a quick message to her. Small acts of kindness can have a great impact. It will make your mother feel valued and important to send her a quick text message during the day to let her know you're thinking of her. People tend to be happier when they feel more loved and cared for. You may influence without penning a novel. Even a brief "Hello, Mom." You might express your concern for your mother's happiness by saying, "I hope your day is going well." 4. Express regret when you realize you have done something wrong. Especially if you feel like your mother is constantly on your case, it might be incredibly difficult to apologize to her at times. However, strengthening your bond and making your mother feel loved will come through saying sorry when you're mistaken and accepting ownership of your deeds. The 3 R's of a good apology are regret, responsibility, and solution. You are thus: firstly, apologize for the harm you caused. Secondly, don't apologize for your conduct, instead, accept responsibility. Thirdly, give a solution or a recommendation for what you'll change going forward. Say something like, "I'm sorry, I forgot to take out the garbage." If your mother reminds you that you did so again, "I am aware that this has added to your workload. I'll set a phone reminder for Wednesdays so I remember for next time." Imagine yourselves. Let her know when you're having issues. Many mothers enjoy having a sense of involvement in their children's lives, especially when they are invited to participate in their emotions and ideas. Ask your mom for guidance if you've had a rough day, can't figure out a problem at school, or have a secret crush on someone but aren't sure how to approach them. This will give her the impression that you value her views. The exact opposite also applies. You don't want to only talk to your mother when you need to vent about your difficulties, even though she will probably be pleased to listen and offer advice. Talk to her about it as well if you're having a great day, have some good news to share, or have just seen a fantastic movie.